Hey guys, I am so excited for this week's episode of Luxury Living NYC, and I can't believe I'm going to say it, but we are over in Brooklyn, the fabulous Brooklyn in Williamsburg at 57 Havemeyer Street. I'm so excited. We're going to go and see the Bloomstein team again. Sydney's going to show us this fabulous townhouse, and of course, we're going to figure out if this might be what you are looking to relocate to. Before we get into them, I'm going to need you to like, subscribe, share this with a friend who's thinking about maybe even leaving Manhattan and getting some more space in Brooklyn. So thank you so much, Sydney, for having us. This place is spectacular from what I see. Tell me about it.
Thanks, Erin. Welcome to 57 Havemeyer. It is one of 3 condominiums laid out as townhouses. You sort of get that masonette in a condo vibe, but no upstairs neighbors. So for all intents and purposes, it is a townhouse, but with super low monthlies because of its condominium designation.
Yeah, that's great. And I think you said, what were the monthlies?
Monthlies are just around 600. You only have 2 other members of your HOA, which is 55 and 57. We're in 57, 59. And what's really unique is you have the electrical for all 3 buildings in this one. You have the gas in the neighboring one. You have the security system over there. So you function as a condo, but you could also buy all 3 of them and make a mega mansion.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And we're in the heart of Williamsburg.
We are on Havemeyer and North 6th. We're a stone's throw from the Bedford L, but we're also super close to the Lorimer Avenue L, which is where the G intersects, and the new East Williamsburg, which is the far side of the BQE, which is really rising in popularity. So the coolest part about where we are is we're close to everything, but it's pin drop quiet.
I have literally been commenting about this. I was like, but I feel like we're not in the city. It's just so quiet, which is, I think, what every New Yorker needs when you get home from work or from traveling, right? To come home and actually have an oasis. Because I think the only way to succeed in this city is to be able to get out of the city when you're at home and feel like you're out of the city when you're at home, which you definitely do here.
Totally.
Well, I'm so excited to see more. Can you take me around?
I'd love that. Should we head upstairs?
Perfect.
Great. So this is your private meditation home gym with an ensuite bathroom. Every bedroom in this house has a full ensuite with tub and shower combo. And right now we're facing out east. And these are actually the gardens of the buildings on North 6th. So this townhouse is unique in that it has a roof rather than a garden. So less maintenance, better sunlight.
Yes, and that is what all New Yorkers need as far as I'm concerned. Because I do hear that a lot. Yes. They're like, but what do I do with the backyard?
Yes.
Who will maintain it for me?
Exactly. And with the step back of the building, you have nice skylights on every floor. So you have a ton of natural light, even though we're mid-block.
Yeah, this is great. All right, on to the next.
Sure. So if you don't want to use the upstairs as your primary, this could also be your primary bedroom. We're facing Havemeyer here, oriented towards the city, but this is the back of a school here, so no sound transfer and almost no car traffic either, or foot traffic. So you get that sort of quiet, intimate, non-city feeling. And behind you is a washer dryer, and then you have an ensuite around the corner as well. So this is the primary suite. You have a true living room on this floor, although it could be a bonus bedroom, projector screen, gorgeous bathroom with separate tub and shower.
And I also just love that you're getting like the greenery through the window everywhere in that back. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, I think they really maximize light. That's usually one of the biggest complaints about a townhouse.
Yes.
And then here is your private roof terrace.
I love that.
As you continue up, you get that sort of lofty downtown feeling, open bedroom, maximizing the space up here. This is really turnkey, as in like bring your toothbrush and live here.
Beautiful. So for everybody that wants to relocate and not have to do any work or worry about anything, especially if you're coming from outside of the country, outside of the city, right? It's great, because if you are from outside of the city and you think renovating here in New York is like anywhere else, it will not go the way that you would like. So
yes,
all done is what we highly recommend if you're coming here.
I like alluding to Department of Buildings torture. That's good.
Yes,
Without overly stating it.
I love it. So this room is spectacular. I love how they decorated it.
Main living room, gas fireplace. We also have the brains of the whole operation. So you have Sonos and a Savant system. And then I think painting this room a dark color made it a lot warmer and cozier, but you can really feel how big it is with this gigantic couch behind you, the light above you, and then all the natural light and greenery you mentioned out these windows.
Yeah, absolutely. And it also, I feel like this layout is really nice with dining and kitchen, but it's not so far away or it's not on a separate floor. You do see that sometimes in townhouses. So this is a really beautiful layout.
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's check out the downstairs
Yeah,
suite.
let's go.
Yes.
Welcome to the custom guitar workshop. A lot of famous folk singers have had their guitars handmade in this room. Wow. And then you have the other owner's artwork in here as well, her paintings. What's cool is you have a full kitchenette setup, which leans into that Airbnb that I suggested, full bathroom behind you with the tub and shower combo. And down these stairs, you have your private recording studio. Yeah, it's really cool down here. You can have a party for 20 of your friends and obviously not bother anybody.
Yeah, which is amazing. And also this setup, I feel like these are the perfect homeowners for it. Obviously, it's why they bought it, but I also feel like now I'm gonna talk to everybody who I know is a musician because this just seems like where they need to be.
Also, recording studio space in New York City can run very expensive. So if you are an artist or a musician, the fact that you could record in your own home is pretty incredible. And if you're a celebrity, you can pull into the garage. No one has to see you, straight into your recording studio or your home.
Yeah, absolutely.
It really ticks every box.
Well, thank you so much for taking me on this tour. This is
Of course.
a stunning home.
Thank you. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to check out the garage on your way out. And thank you again.
Oh my gosh, wasn't that amazing? I am so grateful that we got to go get the tour from Sydney. And again, if you are thinking about relocating, I'm gonna need you to check out this apartment. I know she would love to show us all together. Like, subscribe, send it to a friend who you know that might be looking to relocate to New York City. As always, we would love to be your real estate resource of choice at the Wheelock team. Bye guys. Is this better without it? But how do I look cooler?
I like it with the sunglasses.
Oh, sweet.